Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new videos you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2018 Ford F150 5.0 liter. This one, the guy brought it to me. He wants me to replace the trunk handle right here. He didn't like how it looked. Everything works fine, everything works normally. It open and close works fine perfectly. The guy just wanted me to replace it because he didn't like how it looked, the broken piece right here. Right here he gave me the parts for it too. So this is the whole handle right here with the camera, and then this one's for the key cylinder right here, and then this is the part number right here, original from Ford. That's the part number. And then for you to get access to it, you're gonna replace this whole trunk cover right here, all Torx bolt all around, to get access to the 3 bolts in the back of the handle right there. After you remove the trunk cover, you're gonna get to this metal plate right here. Just lift it up and you can have access to the cable and the handle. Before I show you guys on the handle, if you guys want to replace the trunk latch, it's very simple. For the cable right here, you're gonna press on this little tab right here, press in, pull up, and then you can get the cable out. For both sides, the same thing. For the trunk latch, just remove these 2 bolts. You can take the trunk latch out. This is the left side, that's the right side, it's the same thing. Now for the handle, what you're gonna do is, let me show you. So I have my flashlight here. You're gonna get to this green lock right here, just pop it up and get it to unlock. Pull the stick to the side, and then for the key cylinder, you don't have to remove the stick, just remove the 9mm, and then just pull it up like that, pull it out of the way, and then remove the 10mm on this side, remove that 10mm, and then you can get access to the connector for the camera, for the handle already, both sides already. Just go ahead and pull it down, there you go, and then you can have access to the connector right here and the camera. Now I'm gonna swap over the camera to the new handle. For the camera, there's a Torx bolt right here holding onto the bracket. So once you remove it, you can take out the bracket like that. And then for the camera, I can show you the part number. That's the part number for the camera. Now you're gonna put a flathead in here and pry this out. Put a flathead right here, pry it out, and then you can pop it out like that. Swap it over to the new one, and make sure this size right here stays on the left side. Got it into the bracket already. Make sure you hear it snapped in. For the camera, I use a Q-tip just to gently wipe the lens down, so that way it's clean. You can go ahead and put it back, there you go, and then put the cover back, and then just go ahead, make sure it sits under the handle. You can see the little notch right here. Make sure it goes under and in, there you go, and then tighten down the Torx bolt. Now I got the camera fully mounted back in. For the camera connector, make sure you guys check the pin in here, make sure it's not damaged or corroded. Check the wire back here, make sure it's not broken or ripped. If it's good, go ahead and just put it back. Now putting back the handle is just the reverse step of the removal. So you put the clip side in first, and then just go ahead and snap it back in like that. There you go. Put the 3 bolts back, and the stick right here, the key cylinder, and then put this cable back. I got everything back then already. Let me show you again. The trunk latch cable right here, the 2 10mm, the 9mm for the key cylinder. Make sure you guys put the key in, check it, make sure it fully works, everything is good. And the stick on this side, I have it in, locked down the green lock, and make sure you guys put handle, everything is working properly. There you go, check it, everything's work. Before you put the cover back, check the trunk. So this is locked, unlocked, there you go. Check it again. I'm gonna lock it. There you go. It's locked. Unlocked. There you go. Make sure everything fully works before you put the cover. But that's it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.